Hello and welcome to session 3 of Sound Mystic, a 7-part exploration into the incredible nature of the wonderful mystical properties of sound itself. And sound is something that we're surrounded by each and every day. Truly, there is silence, which is even a sound in itself. And when we search for silence, we always find ourselves wrapped inside a sound. It's an eternal chase between sound and silence, and it's really a journey of introspection and a journey of change and of understanding the self hugely. Now, so far in the last 2 sessions, we have covered sound as a vibration, being everything, and the anatomy of sound. We've also taken a look at intention and how intention with the vibration equals a manifestation and bringing something into reality. And today we're going to look at how everything has its own unique and specific vibration. And so to do that, we're going to listen to some sounds, and we're also going to work with some questions and curiosity of sound. How is sound divided? Well, we know how sound is measured, and sound is measured by its amplitude, which is its volume, is measured by its width of sound, which is the frequency at which the sound plays, the pitch. And it's also measured by the duration. And there are many, many schools of thought about sound as well. There are in Indian traditional classical music, sound is divided into shrutis, and a shruti is a single note which has a spectrum of sound. So resting anywhere in a single note, you can have a division of identification with that note. So for example, if we took a note on the piano, which we've got very standardized, boxed and literally compartmentalized sound on a scale on a piano, a C. Ah, ah. You can be in so many different places on that spectrum of sound between C and C sharp. So yeah, you see, I'm in between two semitones. It sounds out of tune. Of course it is, because it's out of tune with this note C, which we have been given and told is the only note of C that exists, because we've been given a simplified piano keyboard to work with. And that's how we have been put into a construct with sound. And to truly accept word and vibration at its primary core, we must forget the construct and divide sound into more pieces. So everything having its own vibration, as each individual vibration takes solid form, it takes shape and it takes mass. So a crystal, for example, is in fact a vibration, an incredibly dense vibration, which has been packed together over many years. Maya, get down. Come on. Your vibration is looking for cats. So this vibration is very dense and has been formed over perhaps 1 million years to become so dense. And to capture the violet vibration in amethyst, that has been a vibration which has been captured in solid stone. So this is all primarily about things having vibration. A television remote control, for example, is a composite of many vibrations, because we've got rubber buttons, we've got really plasticky outer casing, we've got metal batteries in there, and we've got so many different vibrations put together at once. In the same way, the microcosm and the macrocosm of understanding is that our human bodies are, in fact, one solid vibration in themselves, and yet many different vibrations at the same time. So if I was describing to you something which has a fundamental vibration, which would be a fundamental tone, a bass note to it. And then alongside that note, there are many different spectrums of sound and other vibrations moving around it, which form a part of that one whole fundamental vibration. What do you think I could be describing? I could be describing a piano chord. I could be describing a remote control with many different vibrations stuck together. I could be describing a human being. I could be describing a dog. I could be describing the global oneness and union of all humanity put together. So when we look at vibration and we look at sound as vibration, we're actually acknowledging that as everything has a vibration, vibration is the fundamental and unifying identifier for absolutely everything. And with that, I'm going to do a bit of chanting. Maya's going to sit and look at the cat. Om Venda Sato Sammaya Manupalaya Vendra Sato Teno Patishta Durdo Me Baba Shuto Kosho Me Baba Anurakto Me Baba Sarvasiri Me Raya cha sarva karma suchame chitam sriyam kuruham ha 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 ho bhagavan benzarta tagada benzarma nirmuncha benzar baba mahasamaya sato. Thank you. Join us for the next installment of Sound Mystic, which will be looking at our silence being the source of all things.